Welcome back, people. Let's learn about expressions and operators in this video. In JavaScript, we write statements, each of which are executed sequentially. Statements are like instructions to JavaScript engine of what has to be done. So statements are made up of one or more expressions, and expression is made up of operators and operands. We already used a couple of operators like plus, which is used to add numbers and concatenate strings. We used equal to, which is the assignment operator. We will look into other common operator in this video. We also have something called operand. Operand are identifiers like variable name, function, etc. So by combining operator and operand, we can create expressions which are used to form statements. We have several type of expressions. The first one is variable declaration. The second is assigning a value. The third is evaluation that returns a value. So we have an example here. We have a variable b whose value is 1 and a variable c whose value is 2 and a third line where a is assigned to b plus c. So here let a, this is variable declaration. B plus C is called evaluating and returning a value, and let A equal to B plus C is called assigning a value. So these three expressions are all combined to form a single statement. Now we know what is an operator, what is an operand, what is an expression, and how expressions are combined to form a statement. Now let's look at different operators in JavaScript. So the first one is keyword. We have keywords like let, var, constant, etc. So var stands for variable and const stands for constant. We have many other keywords in JavaScript. We will learn about all of them in this series. The second one is assignment operator, which is equal sign. The third one is arithmetic operator, which includes plus, minus, which stands for subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo operator. Modulo is used to find the remainder of a division. Then we have increment and decrement operators. Increment operator is defined using two plus symbols and decrement is defined using two minus symbols. So let's look at an example for increment. Let's say we have a variable called a which has a value of 1. We are incrementing the value of a by 1. So the 2 plus sign means a plus 1. So when you try to print this in the console, you get output as 2. So let's go to the next operator, which is the precedence operator. We use the parenthesis for precedence. So let's look at an example for precedence. Here we have b, which is equal to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3. When you run this, you get the value of 7. This is because multiplication has higher precedence than addition. So 2 is multiplied by 3 first, which gives 6, which is then added with 1, which gives 7. But with parenthesis, you can control the order in which things are evaluated. Let's say we have a variable c, and inside the parenthesis we have 1 and 2, that is 1 plus 2. Outside we have multiplied by 3. So here, since we have a parenthesis, this has a higher precedence and 1 plus 2 is evaluated first, and which gives 3. Then 3 is then multiplied with 3, which gives 9. So the output is 9. We also have the logical operator, which is and or. We will learn about the logical operator in later part of the series. So with this, we come to a conclusion for the expressions and operators. I hope you would have understood about expression, operand, operators, and statement. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.